Hi everyone, I am back to do the next lesson on measuring acute angles going from right to left. So if you remember the other video, I made a blunder. So I made a mistake with that first 90-degree angle, so hopefully you will pay attention. These are all my materials again. You will use a pencil because if you make a mistake, you can erase. I'm using a pen in my lessons so that you can see it more clearly. So let's redo this 90-degree angle because it's going from right to left. So I'm just going to draw it down here. So I'm going to put my bottom line here. I'm going right to left, so this angle is going in this direction. So I'm going to line up my line to the vertex. Now because I'm going from right to left, I use the bottom numbers, but it doesn't really matter right now because 90 is smack dab in the middle. So I'm going to put my little tick mark there and join up the vertex to that point, just stop a little bit short, and then put my corner right there. So that is our reference 90-degree angle. So every angle here is going to be less than 90 in this area here. So all of those angles in this area here. All right. So let's make our first angle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to maybe up here make my straight line. I'm going to put my protractor line on the right side now. So my line is going to line up here to the vertex, and then I'm going to put a little tick right here. Now watch, once again, this is very important. This is going to 140, but because I'm going from right to left, I'm using the bottom number, so it's going to be 40. So I'm going to take that vertex, join it up to that tick mark, put my little line here, and I'm going to write 40 degrees. That's my 40-degree acute angle. Let's do another one. Let's come down here. Let's do a straight line. Let's join up my bottom line with the vertex. Let's put a little tick here. Once again, it says 100, but I'm using the bottom numbers. So this is showing 80. So let's join up that vertex to that little tick mark, put in my little squiggle line here, 80 degrees. Okay, let's do a real small angle here. So let's up here, put our line. Let's put our bottom line matching up on our protractor, go to the edge of the line on the vertex, and let's actually go in between a few of them. So if I want to make a 15-degree angle, I see 10, I see 20, come right in the middle here, put a little tick, and then I'm going to join up the vertex to the tick, put my little line, and that is 15 degrees. Now remember with the last lesson we did some angles where it's not a perfect straight line here. So let's say we have a line going here. So I have to turn our paper, match up the bottom line with the vertex. Let's go maybe between 50 and 60. So that's going to be 55 degrees. Put a little squiggle here, and that is 55 degrees. Okay, now in this bottom space here, we're going to do a couple angles, just kind of using our best estimation skills to estimate what an acute angle looks like. Going from right to left, less than 90. Then we're going to measure it. So come over here, put our bottom line, match it up, go to the vertex, and then you're going to follow that line. Looks like it's a little bit shy of 40, but the number before is 30. So what is a little bit shy of 40? It's going to be about 39 degrees. So you're going to do 39 degrees. And let's do one more. So let's do one where we're maybe here, and then maybe go like that. So you can see it's not perfectly straight on the line, so we have to kind of pivot our paper a bit. Get our protractor, get our bottom line matched up. Please do not make the mistake, because a lot of students do this. They put it on the base of the protractor. No, it has to be on the bottom line of the protractor. Match up with your vertex. Come up here and you'll see it's past 60, and then the next one is 70. So what would be past 60? Close to 60. And it looks like there's two little ticks in there, so that would be 62 degrees. So now, once again, you can pause this, play around with your angles, learn how to measure them, and then move on to the next one that I have in this lesson. So that's the second one done with how to draw and measure acute angles. I will do some more with obtuse and reflex. So make some angles and measure them. See you in a bit.